Have you heard of the 1% rule? Do you use the 1% rule? There are companies that use the 1% rule. There are some others that don't. So what is that rule? That rule is really simple. When you are tendering for government contracts, the preparation costs, your internal costs, they shouldn't exceed 1% of the total contract that you might win in the future. Why am I talking about that 1% rule? The reason is that today, in this module, we are going to look at resources and costs. And I'm going to take with MS Project a tendering process as an example. And we are going to estimate the cost of tendering for a contract. With those estimations, we arrive to a certain amount, and this will give you the possibility to evaluate whether you apply or you don't the 1% rule. Some companies, they do, some others, they don't. Behind me, you see that there is already a certain result with the 16,450 euros. It's a model that I have used. I've done the evaluation for a certain tendering process, and this allowed me to arrive to that result. If now I follow the 1% rule, those 16,000 more or less 500, they should lead me to a contract at least for 1,650,000 euros. So this is not unusual as contract in the field of constructions. In the field of IT projects, it's more rare. We find this less often. There are certain specific contracts with that amount. In the health sector, it's also a sector, an industry where you can find contracts of that amount. The example we are going to take is a CRM system. It's the renewal for a government authority of their CRM systems. Governmental authorities, they are obliged from certain threshold to go through public tendering, through request for proposal. So they have and they are obliged to enter those complex processing. In France, for example, the threshold is 100,000 euros. At the European level, it's 139,000 euros. Those thresholds, they are set today and they will be reviewed every 2 years. Now you know about the 1% rule. In the next module, we are going to dig further and to look how we do all those calculations. With this, you will be able to apply this model to any tendering process you would like to do. And with that, it will be a help in whether to decide to understand whether the market is worth or not. It's Christian from Vision 6D, and it's a pleasure to share those knowledges with you, and I hope to see you soon for a next video. Bye bye.